Hello, in front of me I've got the Denon PerL Pro. In this video I'll show you how to manage gestures. In the beginning, go to Denon app and go to menu. Go to device settings, configure touch buttons, and here we've got all gestures we can use. For left earbud, tap once to enable/disable social mode, tap twice to activate voice assistant, tap 3 times to play pause music, and double tap and hold, you can set it manually. For right earbud, tap once to play pause music, double tap for next track, triple tap for none, and double tap and hold, you can set also manually. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.